Hey guys, welcome to my video. Yeah, today we're going to be making slime. So I have a bowl, glue, eye solution, and a measuring cup, and an agitator, and some baking soda. Okay, so we're going to be putting the whole glue in here. Mm.
3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later.
"70 years later."
Meanwhile.
So guys, we have put the stuff in it. Now we have to put the eye solution. Okay, now we're done. Now we have to pour it in. Now all we need is the baking soda. So now we pour it in. Okay, now we got it in, we're gonna agitate it. Wait, we need a little more. Now we're gonna agitate it. Mommy. Get it a little bit slimy. Is it slime? It's not that, it's green. Wow. Is it some slime? Okay guys, this is the slime. Look at it, guys. What is slime actually? Well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, make sure to hit the like button and hit the thumbs up button and the bell. Bye.